Hey all, it's me here, the J-Coup. Are you ever tired of your car battery dying? Sometimes you'll forget to leave the lights off, like I have in the past, and then wake up in the morning, and then your car battery's dead. And then you gotta wait for a tow truck to come, wait an hour, possibly more. Well, I have a simple solution. One simple solution, there's others, but this one is a portable vehicle power. And this is an unboxing of it. So it is on here a 12 volt for the vehicle startup portable power pack recharging. Charges your cell phone, flashlight, it does everything. Plus it gives your car a boost. This is really good. I got it on Amazon. So on here it just tells you that on the side. Then on here too. And on the back it gives you all this. It tells you how to hook it up properly. Red clamp connected, black clamp connected. It tells you how to hook it up properly on the back here. And then up here it gives you some more information and stuff like that. Same with here on the back. Now let's open her up. Okay, like so, like so. That's how it comes. Oh, look at this nice case. Beautiful design case. Very nice, very portable. So you could take it anywhere. If you go on a long road trip and your battery dies for some strange reason, you can say, hey, I got my portable charger here. I can just go, forget waiting on a tow truck. Open this bad boy up. Go like so. And then voila. So what we have inside is your basic standard black clamp and your red clamp. Hooks in right here. I'll show you how to hook that up in a second. And also you get in here, which is pretty amazing, all your spare. Look, you got iPhone 4, iPhone 5, Android, another Android, so you get your newer iPhones, old iPhone, all these different cables. If you have Android or iPhone, doesn't matter. There's your plug right there. I'll show you how to hook it up in a second. And we get, this comes in it, your guaranteed card. It's just a little thing there that comes with it. And you get a car adapter to plug into your 12 volt cigarette lighter. That is pretty sweet. You get that. What else do we get here? Let's see. You get a wall charger. A US wall charger, which is really nice to have. That's to charge up your power bank there. And I'll show you guys the case. The lighting doesn't do very much justice, but hey, It's a very nice case. And let's get to the main thing. That's the case that you get with it. Very nice. This is the power bank. It's pretty sweet. It's almost like a personal, like how you charge up your iPhones. Right there. And to turn it on, this button here, that's how you turn it on. And to show you guys that it does work, I'll plug this in. Plug that in like that. Let's get my iPad here and find the correct component and go like so. Oh, it turned off. There it goes. Sorry guys, that turned off on me. But yeah, it does work. See? It's charging there. And the lights are on. And it's charging my iPad. Which is pretty sweet. And you just hit this button here, right there. I guess you gotta hold it. And there's your flashlight. Hold that button for flashlight. And hold it again to turn it off. I'll plug this from your iPad or whatever, Android, tablet, anything. Unplug that. So that's sweet. That comes, and then I do believe this will automatically shut down. Do an automatic shutdown, but to hook up, let's see if we can find this, people, because we have to hook this into here, which is right there. So it was a little tricky at first, but I found it. It's right here. You plug that into that. Like so. And we're connected. And now you can boost your car and get to the nearest, hopefully you can make it to your car dealership or to a gas station, and just to have them double check your battery. This will boost your car just to get to where you need. If you just need a boost, because if you leave your lights on all night, you know, the car battery will drain. Or if you have aftermarket lights and you forget, this thing is great. This thing does it all. And that's just an unboxing of a portable power bank / car battery. So thanks for watching. Peace out.